맛없어요. 맛없어요. What does this term mean? Today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about the word 맛없어요. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 263. 맛없어요. 맛없어요. This is pronounced as a four-syllable word. The first syllable is mad, second syllable is ops, third syllable is and fourth syllable is yo. Pronounce it with me. 맛없어요. 맛없어요. The term 맛없어요 is used to say not tasty or not delicious. So this is the opposite of 맛있어요. The term 맛없어요 actually came from two words. 맛, which means taste, and 없어요, which means there is none. So when we say 맛없어요, it means there is no taste, which is the same as saying that the food is not tasty or not delicious. Again, 맛없어요 means not delicious. Now, how do we write 맛없어요 in Hangul? This is composed of four syllables. The first syllable is mad. This is written by drawing first a meme character, followed by an a character, followed by a siyot character. But take note that when this is pronounced with the whole word, it is pronounced as 맛없어요. It's not 맛없어요. So there are changes on the ending sound of this specific syllable. Moving on, the second syllable of is written by drawing first a no sound iyang, followed by the a character, followed by the biop character, followed by a siyot character. The third syllable a is written by drawing first a placeholder iyang, followed by the a character. And the last syllable yo is written by drawing first a no sound iyang, followed by the yo character itself. And then we just need to combine the hangul for each of these four syllables to form the word 맛없어요. Just some additional information related to 맛없어요. The opposite of it is 맛있어요. Mas means taste, mas or mat means taste, and 있어요 means there is. So when we say 맛있어요, it means there is taste, or with taste, or tasty, or as in delicious. So the opposite of that is 맛없어요, which means no taste, there is no taste, or not delicious. And with that, you've just learned 맛없어요. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 253 to 262. But don't forget our word for today, word number 263, 맛없어요, which means not tasty or not delicious. Word number 262 is 맛있습니다, which means delicious in a formal manner. Word number 261 is 먹었어요, which means ate, or the past tense of eat. Word number 260 is 갔어요, which means went, or the past tense of go. Word number 259 is 날씨, which means weather. Word number 258 is Cheonmaneyo, which means good, to express surprise or admiration. Word number 257 is 하십니까. This is a formal way of saying or asking why. Word number 256 is Saranghae. This is an informal way of saying call me. Word number 255 is 왜요. This is a polite way of asking why. Word number 254 is 안 가요, which means to not go or not going. Word number 253 is 안매워요, which means not spicy. And that is the last word for our review. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.